Good day. I am Trisha Nicole Ryututar from BSIT4. What is ERP? ERP is the Enterprise Resource Plan. ERP provides a host of services for companies trying to improve how efficiently they operate. The systems are constantly being updated by the proprietors to offer the speediest and most reliable services. ERPs were originally designed for manufacturing companies that have now expanded to service industries, higher education, hospitality, healthcare, financial services, and government. Each industry has its own ERP peculiarities. For example, government ERP uses contract lifecycle management or CLM rather than traditional purchasing and follows government accounting rules rather than GAAP. Banks have bank office settlement processes to reconcile checks, credit cards, debit cards, and other instruments. What is ERP? The software tools used to manage enterprise data. A packaged business software system to automate and integrate the majority of business processes. To share common data and practices. Produce and access information in real-time environment. Enterprise resource planning are more commonly referred to as ERP is a software system used to manage and maintain the function of a business. The tasks are typically done in real time. Functional areas and business process. To understand the ERP, you must understand how business works. Functional areas of operation. Business processes. Functional areas of operation. Functional areas are independent. Each requires data from the others. Better integration of functional areas leads to improvements in communication, workflows, and success of the company. Information system or IS includes computer, people, producer, and software that store, organize, and deliver information. Definition of business process. It is the collection of the activities that takes one or more kinds of input and creative an output that is of value of the customer. Customer can be traditional, external customer, or internal customer. Thinking in terms of business process helps manager to look at their organization from the customer's perspective. ERP works particularly well for tracking and managing things such as company's capacity for production, cash levels, raw materials at its disposal, payroll information, and purchase orders. There are four key features of ERP system: the scale, scope, and functionality of ERP system vary wildly. However, the most ERP software features are the following characteristics. First is enterprise-wide integration. Business processes are integrated end-to-end across departments and business units. For example, a new order automatically initiates a credit check, queries product availability, and updates the distribution schedule. Once the order is shipped, the invoice is sent. Second, real-time or near real-time operations. Since the process in the example above occur within a few seconds of order receipt, problems are identified quickly, giving the seller more time to correct the situation. Third, a common database. A common database enables data to be identified once the enterprises vary every department using the same definition. Some ERP system split the physical database to improve performance. Lastly, consistent look and feel. Early ERP vendors realized that software with a consistent user interface reduces training cost and appears more professional. When other software is acquired by an ERP vendor, common look and feel is sometimes abandoned in favor of speed to market. As a new releases enter the market, most ERP vendors restore the consistent user interface. Properly operating ERP system enables enterprise to reduce the time required to complete virtually every business processes. They also promote collaboration through shared data organization around common data definition, resulting in better decision making. The standardization and simplification that ERP system offer result in fewer rigid structures, thereby creating a more agile enterprise that can adapt quickly while increasing the potential for collaboration. An ERP system centralized database, while being a bigger target, is easier to secure than data scattered across hundreds of systems. ERP system and software are an industry unto themselves located at the heart of technology space. Because of ERP systems' efficient success and therefore desirability, it is an industry worth several billions of dollars today. The ERP program are commonly known as business management software. They involve a host of applications that work together to first, gather data, second, store it for future reference, third, manage and sort the information for easier access, third, interpret of data for use by the business. In short, the enterprise resource plan is software designed to help companies store, manage, and use data regarding their daily and regular processes. ERP keeps track of a wealth of information, including payroll, raw materials, business commitments, purchase orders, and capacity for production. ERP software is part of the IT sector, and because of its usefulness and success, it is now considered a multi-billionaire industry. That's all. Thank you.